Are you having issues with how you smell? You know, down there. Here are my top 3 products to make your balls smell better.
Sharp scents, colognes allure, seductive perfumes, oh so pure.
Men across the world are having issues finding the right products to help with their intimate areas, you know, your balls, without aggravating their pH balance. That's why your boy David D. Sharp is here to introduce to you a company by the name of Ballsy. So here are my top 3 products that I like to use to improve your hygiene. First product we have up is Ball Wash XL with activated charcoal. This ball wash is perfect for your entire body and not just your intimate areas. This wash features activated charcoal and plant extracts that moisturize, cleanse, and leaves you feeling and smelling fantastic. This product will be one of your care and go-tos in the shower, I guarantee. This ball wash is free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic dyes, meaning it's safe for you fellas in the dugout. So stop using your daily body wash and soap bars on your pirates. This next product coming up, I like to use after shaving, especially that is packed with skin-safe ingredients that bring relief and comfort to your boys below by providing deep hydration to soothe and repair chafed, dry, or irritated skin. Ball Balm Soothing Cream. This product has colloidal oatmeal, which helps soothe skin and reduce irritation. Another active ingredient is aloe. It acts as an antioxidant, which repairs damaged skin. It also has zinc reconyloid, which is an active ingredient that is a deodorizer to keep you smelling fresh. This final product is the cherry on top. We have Ball Guard. This is a liquid powder moisturizing ball deodorant that keeps your skin smelling fresh and feeling hydrated. It is infused with aloe and tapioca starch. Ball Guard's premium formulation will help prevent sweat and chafing all day just to protect your
one-eyed monster. Step right up and see the one-eyed monster.
Telling you fellas, these 3 products together are game changers. It will elevate your day-to-day hygiene regimen. It will elevate your confidence, your lifestyle, and even how you go about your day. So keep the funk off your junk. Use Ballsy's Ball Wash, Ball Guard, and the Ball Cream so you can go ahead, feel confident throughout the day, and not have to rely heavily on your fragrances, your colognes, or even your lotions. These are perfect products to use, especially coming home after the gym, a long day at work, or you're preparing to go out on date night, or even just spend some time in with your lady. So no more guessing if you are prepared for that special night with that special someone. Stop using your regular daily body wash and soap bars down there, throwing off your pH balance and wondering why, hey, I just took a shower. Why do I smell like this? Ballsy has all the perfect products for your manhood down there to elevate your game, to improve your pH balance down there so you are feeling confident all day, no questions asked. But I thank you for your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be right here with your boy, David D. Sharp, on Sharp Sense. If you haven't done so, we appreciate you, and we appreciate everyone that has been active on our page, new subscribers, the likes, the comments. So please, if you haven't already, take the time, if you feel welcomed here, to hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, Subscribe to the channel and share this with like-minded individuals who enjoy fragrance reviews, whether it be male or even unisex fragrances, men's grooming tips, and products. But as the saying goes, as iron sharpens iron, one person should sharpen another. And until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, we love you, we appreciate you. Peace. Stay sharp.